Hey everyone, it's Maria Elena. I want to update you on the widespread flooding that's been impacting central United States today. An atmospheric river left thousands of people without power as the death toll climbed and forecasters warned of worsening conditions. At least 7 deaths and 13 injured have been tied to these storms. Tornadoes were reported from Arkansas to Illinois on Wednesday and earlier today. Heavy rains have led to overflowing rivers, causing significant damage to not only homes, but businesses as well. In Kentucky, Missouri, Tennessee, and Indiana, people are being urged to evacuate and seek higher ground as emergency services work around the clock. Please evacuate if you're told to do so. Forecasters warn that communities in affected areas should prepare for possible long duration and severe disruptions to daily life. I know what that's like. It's no fun. With 10 to 15 inches of rain expected through this weekend. Listen, this situation is evolving rapidly, and we're hearing reports of road closures and power outages in affected areas. That is so inconvenient, so dangerous. If you're in this region, please, I urge you to stay safe and keep an eye on local alerts. Thoughts and prayers. Subscribe or follow, like, and share this video for more content. Thank you.